This one can be tricky because a lot of people think that you can just multiply straight across inside and make that square root of 240, because negative 10 times negative 24 makes positive 240. But order of operations tell us that exponents need to come first, and the square root of a negative makes an imaginary number. So you got to factor out the imaginary constant first, because exponents come first in the order of operations. And then you can multiply to get square root of 240 again. Then we have I times I makes I squared, which we said is going to be the big difference between doing it the wrong way that I showed you at the beginning. Square root of 240, you want to simplify that. Take out a square root that you can you can get an integer out of it. Like a square root of 4, you would want to look for a square root of 9. You want to see if there's a 16 or a 25. In this case, I took out a 16 from 240 because that's the biggest thing I can think of, so that if I was to take the square root of that number, it would make an integer. And so square root of 16, that's 4. Square root of 15 we'll just leave, because the square root of 15 just comes out to a decimal. Can't take out a perfect square root. And then I squared, that's something that we've been taught is negative 1. So negative 4 square roots of 15 should be your final answer for this. So notice the difference between the two methods. This one would have been positive 4 square roots of 15, but the correct answer is negative 4 square roots of 15.